Hey everyone, this is another Procore Explore video. I'm going to check out the budget change type field. It's available in our 360 reports as well. It really, I think it's kind of like change events where sometimes you have a change event type. So maybe you want a couple different budget types there. I can think of two off the top of my head. Like we have a change, in scope change for a budget, or we have buyout. We also have probably like buyout savings or buyout generally, and then we probably would have a monthly progress update. So let's go ahead and look like what it looks like right now. If you go to your budget, go ahead and create a budget change. You got nothing there, just name, type, and draft. I imagine there, or name, number, name, and status. I imagine there's going to be a type here somewhere. So let's see what it does. So let's go ahead and activate it. Company tools, admin, select Procore Explore at the top or at the sidebar, and then budget change type field right there. So it should be close to the top of your Procore Explore list. Looks like this isn't coming out till November, but we'll get it in here now. So join it. Company or specific projects. Let's just jump in and hit the entire company. See what it does. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and refresh this, see if anything appears from by default. So nothing out of default. Let's go ahead and log in and log out. Okay, as soon as I appeared, yeah, so as soon as I logged in and logged out, this appeared. So we're good there. So buyout, contingency, transfer, allowance. Yeah, budget transfer. Like these are, some of these are useless. Other, I don't like using an other, but that's all right. So let's go ahead and see where we update these. So I'm going to leave this. Check my configuration settings gear at the project at the first place. Doesn't look like I have anything here. It's probably at the company level, which is where I honestly prefer it to be. So let's go there. Select admin. And we're going to go down to budget. Maybe change management. I don't see the ability to customize these. Okay, so looks like they just have generic types for right now. They're starting with the standard field, working towards allowing full customization. So I didn't notice that when I was first looking at this quickly. So if you think that you need kind of these types, if this would be helpful, go ahead and turn it on. It's not required, so you don't have to put it in there. But like, I don't know that I'd want to turn it on until I have more granularity, because an allowance might be a good budget transfer. This budget change, budget transfer. I don't get the difference between the two. I guess they're moving one cost code to another, but that's what we're doing on all these. Buyouts, I think, is a good one. Contingency might be a good one. Other, I generally don't like. Plan adjustment. Are we talking like an addendum or something like that? Or just like how we're spending our money? And then I would like a progress update or something like that. Maybe we use budget transfer for that. Production quantity. So that's a type, kind of like we're moving units from different parts to different things, like if we enable these units. So just think about that. If it's valuable to you, if you have this need, go ahead and turn it on. But hopefully there'll be custom ones here, and at least activating and deactivating like they do in most other tools. So yeah, check it out. Let me know if it's helpful. If you have any questions about it, let us know. As always, reach out if you need anything, and happy to help. So with that, Have a wonderful rest of your day.